Hi, this is my English project. My name is Laura Sepúlveda. I am 21 years old and I live in Cali, Colombia. About my routine, first, I almost always get up at 8 in the morning. I always check my phone when I wake up. On weekends, I get up at 10 or 11 in the morning. Most times I have breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning. I always have English classes from 10, quarter past 10 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. From Monday to break day. I have lunch in at half past 1 p.m. In the afternoon, I clean my home. I usually do homework. I sometimes make crochet. In the afternoon, I often watch series or movies in the afternoons. I always to sleep late mm, il- at at 11 or 12. About my abilities, I am good at reading and also at cooking. I am good at making up, also at other things related to makeup. I can recognize dangerous activities for environmental. I can open my own business of crochet or clothing. I can sing. I can play instrument either. I can swim. I'm not good at sports. And about my likes and dislikes, I like the pineapple, but I don't like the pineapple juice. I don't like pretentious people. I don't like pears or yuccas. I like the plants, trees, and flower as well as gardening. Um, I like to make amigurumis. The amigurumis are like stuffed animals. Um, okay, my family. Okay, and about my family. My family is made up of 4 people: my mom, my dad, my brother, and me. I live with my mom and my brother. We are a small family. And okay, about my mother. My mother is Sarah, and my mother is good at cooking. She loves to stay healthy. That's why she exercises a lot. Also, she likes eating well. For that reason, she don't usually eat fast food. She goes to the gym at 9 o'clock. She exercises for 2 hours every day. My mom is saleswoman. She goes to work at 2 o'clock and she usually goes to motorcycle. My mom arrives at home 7 o'clock. My mom often goes to bed early, around um, 9:30 at at night, about the things that she likes. I know that she loves pineapple. She likes Christian music. She likes on road trips. Okay. Um. Um. Okay. My neighborhood. I live in neighborhood of El Jardín. It is located in the southeast of Cali. Mm, it is nice neighborhood, but is not very safe. It's very crowded place. It has many people place nearby to buy things. There is bakery around the corner. My house is 1 block away from the fruit and vegetable market. Also, it is 2 blocks from supermarket. And on the corner of my blocks, there is nice. There is an ice cream shop. Cream shop. It's traveling. I take the bus when I go somewhere. I don't need to get there fast. I take a car when I go to eat, like a Didi or Way Up. I like road trips. I like go to place with nature, like rivers and mountains. I like to go to little towns. I like going to the beach because I can relax and enjoy the sea. That was all. Thank you for listening me.